Yo, magandang araw mga kateban. Medyo malamig na naman ngayon kasi nag-start na winter dito. So, kailangan natin ng vitamin C. Kasi lagi kami gumagawa ng chocolate crinkles, red velvet crinkles, ibinabaon ni Kulit. So, ngayon kailangan natin ng vitamin C. So, gawa naman tayo ng lemon crinkles. Yo! Hey Teban!
Yeoooph!
Yo!
Go, go, go!
Ayan, pwede na nating umpisahan ang ating lemon crinkles. Yup! At ito ang mga ingredients. Okay.
Let's combine the flour, baking powder, and salt. Mix it all together. Then set this aside. Let's get another bowl. And then we'll whip our butter, softened butter. We will whip the butter until the color turns pale yellow and it becomes fluffy. Okay, our butter is now pale yellow color or light yellow. We'll add the sugar. Mix it together. We add the lemon rind or zest. Okay, then we add 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk. And mix again. Once the eggs are already combined with the butter mixture, let's add the lemon juice and half a teaspoon of vanilla. And yellow food color. This is optional. You can omit this. And then let's mix again. Let's add the dry ingredients, the flour, baking powder, and salt. Once the flour has already been incorporated with the butter mixture, we can use the mixer yan, combined na yung dough natin. I-refrigerate muna natin siya ng mga 1 to 2 hours para medyo mag-firm up yung dough natin at hindi masyadong mag-spread pagka niluto natin para i-hold niya yung shape niya pag niluluto natin. So, kita-kita tayo ulit mamaya after 2 hours. 1 to 2 hours. Yup!
2 hours later.
Ayan, chill na natin tong dough natin. Ngayon, pwede na natin siyang form into a ball. Ayan. Wash your hands first. And then, i-roll natin siya sa ating powdered sugar or icing sugar. Ayan. at ilagay sa ating pan. It's up to you kung gaano nyo gusto kalaki yung inyong crinkles. Pero, ideal is like this, or 1.5 inch. Ito na yung dough natin na ni-roll natin sa icing sugar or powdered sugar. And it's ready now to bake for 10 to 13 minutes in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius. Yup!
And here is our lemon crinkles. Yup! Ayan, hanggang dito na lang uli. Salamat sa panonood at sigurado pag sinubukan nyo itong lemon crinkles na to, magugustuhan ng mga colleagues nyo na pangbaon sa school. Yup!